Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply for YouTube Monetization 2025 by creating new AdSense account easily. Log in to your Gmail account. Open YouTube, go to YouTube dashboard, then go to the Earn section. See, my YouTube channel already reached all requirements of monetization. Click Apply now. Click Start. Read all the terms. Check that I accept the base terms. Please wait a while, it automatically redirects the page. See, it's done. Click Start. If you have an AdSense account, choose the first one and not the second one. I choose the second one. Click Continue. Type your country here. Check the box and click Set up account. Type your address here as per national ID card or passport. Click Submit. See the information submitted, it's under reviewing. Click Redirect to YouTube. See, it's showing in progress. After reviewing, if your information is correct, your account will be approved. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.